Thank you for tuning in today for another informative video on Mike Masters Presents. In today's video, I wanted to remind you of some of the opportunities still available in projects that I have showcased through my videos. It's possible you may have missed these, so I will put the links below to the videos of these different projects so you can watch them after today's presentation. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy today's presentation. If you are interested in purchasing a unit in any one of these projects, shoot me an email to info@mikemasterspresents.com. You can also text or call me direct if within the US or via WhatsApp if outside the US to 484-944-1621. Remember, to block a unit, you will need to send me a copy of your passport and front and back of your driver's license. If you have a Dominican cedula, that'll work as well. Remember that once you block a unit, you have until the next day to send your reserve payment. Well, that's all I have for today. If you found value in today's content, please give it a like. Become a subscriber if you have not done so yet. Hit the notification bell and choose the all option so you get notified immediately upon a new release. And share it with others so they too can benefit from this information. And if you get a chance, visit my webpage, MikeMastersPresents.com, and follow me on Instagram at MikeMastersPresents. Until next time, have a great day.